Go big, do more. The 870 QVO is Samsung's latest second-generation QLC SSD with up to 8 TB of storage capacity. Enhanced in every way. With an expanded, SATA interface limit of 560/530ths of a megabyte per second sequential speeds, the 870 QVO improves random access speed and sustained performance. Boost capacity. The 870 QVO is available in 1, 2, 4 and 8 TB. Reliable and sustainable. The capacity of the 8 TB 870 QVO increases reliability up to 2880 TBW using a refined ECC algorithm for stable performance. Upgrade with ease. Upgrading to 870 QVO is now easier than ever for anyone with a desktop PC or laptop that supports a standard 2.5-inch SATA form factor. Samsung Magician software. Manage your drive and enhance its performance with tools that keep up with the latest updates and monitor the drive's health and status. Flash memory brand. All firmware and components, including Samsung's world-renowned DRAM and NAND, are produced in-house, allowing end-to-end integration for quality you can trust. Top reviews from the United States. Samsung data conversion software and SSD Magician is awesome. The drive itself is fantastic, that's what I was expecting. Where I was pleasantly surprised is using the Samsung data conversion software, free directly from Samsung website. It made converting from a mechanical drive to SSD quick and easy. In addition, they also have a SSD Magician that will allow you to quickly check the health of your drive and update firmware. Bravo Samsung.